Weight, total up weight, 1 plus 8.
Okay, stand up please.
No. We prefer to sit down.
Oh.
Life could be a dream if I could take you up to paradise up above, and you would tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, it's hoping we meet again. Hell, ding dong, shalangala, langala, 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 whoa, 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 bib, shadoba, doba, dib. Whoa, life could be a dream. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
Hi, my name is Jana. I'm from Ninja Van. So we're having a trip here in Batam and was accommodated by TV Workshop. So thank you so much. 3 days, 2 nights seems not enough. We have action-packed, like all the activities that we've done, all the workshops that I've done. There's very nice. Team building is the best. So great job, TV Workshop.